In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email sign-up form in Aweber. Start by logging into your Aweber account and making sure you are in the correct list or audience where you want new subscribers to be added. Once you are ready, go to Pages and Forms. From there, click on Sign Up Forms. This is the area where Aweber lets you design the form that will appear on your website. Next, click Create a Sign-up Form, and then choose For My Website. This option is important because it prepares the form to be embedded on a site you control, instead of being used as a hosted page. Now you will see a selection of templates. Pick a design that matches your brand and the layout of your site. After you choose one, click Load Template. The template gives you a starting point, but you can still customize the details before you publish it. After the template loads, edit your fields. This is where you decide what information you want to collect, like name and email address. Keep it simple so more visitors complete the form. You can also adjust labels and text so it is clear what the visitor is signing up for. When you are done with your edits, click Save Your Form, then click Go to Step 2. Here, enter a form name. This name is mainly for your own organization inside Aweber, so use something descriptive that you will recognize later. On the same screen, select a thank you page. This is what people will see after they submit the form, so choose the option that best fits your workflow, whether it is a basic confirmation message or a specific page you want them to visit. Click Save Your Form again, and then select Go to Step 3. On this final step, click Save Form, then choose I will install my form. This tells Aweber you will be adding it to your website manually. Finally, copy either the JavaScript snippet or the raw HTML code. JavaScript is often easier to manage, while raw HTML can be useful if you need more direct control in your editor. Paste the code into your website's editor where you want the sign-up form to appear, then save and publish your changes. And that is all there is to it.